very rarely does it happen that we have winds which are so nice that we can just chill here. Boat is an autopilot.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
Lovely day, sunny and all, and just behind me there's a rain squall coming up. I don't know if it'll rain or not, or will we just skip it? Let's hope we do. So the weather is just changing and someone's out. What's happening?
So yeah, we had a good sail. We sailed for around 44 miles and now the wind has died completely and it looks like there's a rain squall approaching.
Okay.
So yeah, we are motoring for some time. Get around these islands.
We are heading to Phuket.
Yeah, finally we are heading there to drop Kaeya off and pick up our next crew.
Yes.
And get some boat jobs done, which is always the case.
And
we need to buy some spares, and Phuket is a good place to buy stuff.
Yeah. Oh boy, Captain K leaves.
Yeah, man.
Toughest job of living on a sailboat, I feel.
Yeah, staying away from loved ones, family and friends.
But I think...
Though we meet a lot of interesting people, but every now and then we have to say goodbye to, friends and K and stuff like that. And yeah, that I don't like.
Yeah.
It was pretty nice. A friend of ours is also moored here. We're getting the green dinghy and these guys have just come to help us. And getting ready for mooring. So Mama gets all the mooring lines ready and whatever. He steers. I sit here and look cute, as my job is.
Our monkey's on top of the boom, closing the sail bag. Hello, monkeys.
Hello.
Father?
Yeah, we had an arrangement where we could just zip it up, but the rope that we put was non-UV and it keeps going off. So now somebody has to climb up and do that part of the zip. After that I can just pull it up.
Still
This is
there.
something that we have to figure out. Rest is all good.
This is one of the more interesting jobs that we have.
Kaeya loves it. Kaeya loves to do this monkey business.
Engine, that's the dinghy. So what we do is we take the fuel tank, we put it in there, we take this, we put that in there, we take a fuel line which we connect from here to a small thing over there, and we tighten it using these thingies, these tighten it, and then we drive
Far away places.
new Indian version of Spider-Man. Spider-Man? Spider-Man.
And just like that, it was time for Kay to head back to school.
Taking the bags.
These weeks went by in a jiffy. But thankfully, we could do all that she wanted to do. Now it is time for us to get back to work.
We are at Yacht Haven Marina, mooring right now, and we are heading to the
Marina. Yeah, we're heading to the marina to pick up our next crew. So yeah, it will be the break from living off grid. Today we'll go there, pick up the crew, do some provisioning, and yeah, ready to go out
ready
again.
to go out again. Yeah.
So let's go.
Kaeya has just left a few days back, and we just needed to have somebody on board sooner so that we don't miss her too much. So we're ready for our next lot of adventures. Let's go.
Let's go. Yacht Haven Marina. This is sailing vessel Reeva. I'm coming towards my berth. Yacht Haven Marina. This is sailing vessel Reeva. You're cutting off. Repeat your last over.
not able to hear you?
Yeah, I'm just trying to check if there is somebody for lines on the berth.
Okay.
It's early in the morning, so I don't know if they're going to be there or not. Let's see, even if they're not there, we'll be able to manage. It's better if somebody's there.
So we've removed our bimini to get some work done. And let me show you the view without it. Just fantastic. But there's just zero protection without it. So.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.
So I'm at Phuket airport and I'm waiting for our crew to join us. So let's see what this next 15 days gets for us. We're really excited because one of the things is this crew comes with a very different set of experiences, and I hope that helps us too.
We are dreamers of the shore.
Set sails! Let me see the sails are set. Yes! And today's sails were set by Mithun and Dee, who has a new crew on board. Can you introduce the new crew, please?
Yeah, so we have Mithun and Dee who've joined us, and they set the sails today. Incidentally, there is hardly any wind. It was like a 2-hour journey. It probably take us 3.5, 4 hours, but it's okay. We have time.
Okay.
We'll be there. It's a lovely day actually. We had a good swim in the morning.
Nice. First stop for the day. Koh Panak. Our stop for tonight. Wind is picking up. Woohoo. Nice. It's coming from the direction we were expecting it to come from. Fortunately. Okay then. I think this calls for a hot mission. So that's lunch today, prepared by Mithun. It's amazing how people can make such amazing food in such short time. Even the rice is like perfect, yeah. And I struggle with this every day. I really think it's unfair that people can be such magically good cooks. Trying to get all the stuff.
And then you add the cucumber, mint, and coriander. Oh man, it's insane.
How do people cook so well, man?
I know, now he's showing off. Now
mushroom biryani.
I know. It's amazing.
And now he's describing
even
how
the
he
rice is like followed perfectly, and I struggle with it every day.
No, they're all simple tricks, nothing to it.
What's happening, guys?
Acting like a baby.
No, not acting like a baby. What is that?
Our weekly bath is happening.
क्या बात है?
Love your one-liners, man.
Yeah, man.
Right? Very interesting.
Every day we would sail, and now Jali started raining, and we are loving it. The whole crew had a bath. We are looking.
Yes.
And amazing food. Wow, mind blasting.
So we are at the Bat Cave at Koh Panak.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't see anybody. It's eerie, and that's the exit. We saw a lot of little bats, and we must have paddled in how much at least? Like 200 meters?
Yeah. 100, 150.
150 meters in pitch dark. Some creepy looking bats also looked at us.
Thanks to Dracula, bats are getting bad name.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, just look at this. The Adventurous Four. It'll be the new novel in children's novel.
Children's novel.
The Adventurous Four. Coming out of the Bat Cave. And that's the Bat Cave.
चल बैटमैन तो मिल गया रॉबिन की Alfred.
Yeah. Yeah.
They were in Kaeya, kind of with them.
Wow. Fantastic recording.
That was close. Be careful.
Okay, so we are at this island called Koh Panak, and we'd come to explore the ice cream cave here, right? So we're quite curious of what ice cream cave is all about. We took our dinghy and came here. Dinghy is here, and then you walk into this stairway. Yeah, the stairway takes you into the cave. Amazing. It's completely dark, so we've been told to carry torches. They also told us if you want, you should take helmets along. So yeah, another important thing, don't feed the monkeys. Outstanding place, must do. It's a good experience. Carry some torches because there's good stuff to see inside. There's stalagmites, then there are some rock formations with something crystally which is really shiny and all that, and it's like a hidden thing. Beautiful all around. Whoa. But when you walk across, your feet will look like this. So we've come to this end of ice cream cave at Koh Panak Island, and it's interesting. Yeah, that's V there.
You have to see it. It's beautiful.
It's the end. It's all clay, slippery, but it opens into this beautiful pond. Lovely. Was interesting evening, eh? So we had a okayish morning. We went around, saw some caves and hongs and such, and then the wind picked up around 6ish, and it's been that way since then. I mean, it's been 4 hours. It's been gusting to 20-25 knots in the wrong direction, pushing us closer to the island. We're dragging a little bit slowly. We moved around 7-8 meters, but seems okay. Let's see. We keep a watch.
And there's a sailboat, another sailboat quite close also.
Yeah, he was farther away and he looks closer now, so this is another guy we have to keep an eye on.
And what are our anchor dragging or
Actions.
when
they happen, then we'll tell. As of now, let's have a glass of water. Come.
Okay, tight हो गया है बहुत.
इधर दिखाना पहले. Ready?
हाँ?
Here, light here.
Okay.
हाँ, go. Pull. 1, yeah.
करो tight है properly. More important things are going on inside.
Yeah, while all this is happening, more important things are happening. So we were just sitting and chilling, and somebody, like the next boat here, has come and given us lots of ice. So we are just like, that bag full of ice we've got. Still don't know where to keep our ice, so we're filling it in our water tanks.
I am stronger than before.